Hi guys, I took the case off this camera in the previous video. I'm just having a look to see how I can get to the back of this circuit board. I've taken a screw out from there, a screw from there. That had no effect at all. A screw from there and a screw from there, which loosens one side of the mounting for the display, but it doesn't remove that one, so that must be on the other side. I've just undone a little screw just there, so we have some movement. If I slide that little bit out of the way, we can remove that. I expect we can do the same up here. Slide them back. Not moving very far. Whether it's all connected together and we've got to disconnect this as well. This is where I keep giving myself a shock from the flash. A screw there and a screw there. Now you might notice the speakers come off its wires. Not really surprised about that. There's something still holding that in place. We're really not making much progress. Screw there holds the flash in place. I wonder if this is all connected together, or is there a... I don't know if it's audible on the camera, but there's some gentleman out there playing with his car. I think he's doing donuts. That's what it sounds like. Revving it and revving it. I'm sure he's having fun. Oh, nearly touched the... Oh, I did touch the tags again. I haven't got enough of that covered. I have to look under here, see if there's any more screws. Yeah, another screw just there. This is beginning to look like it's going to be a one-way teardown. Tear down rather than repair. I'm looking under there, I can't see that. I think what I need to get to is the sensor. Well, I guess that's on the back of here. I wonder if that's actually the cable from the sensor. Flat ribbon cable. Because it could be a matter of pull it out and push it back in again, and that might actually reseat it. That's a possibility, isn't it? Let's just push that back in again. Are you in or are you not in? Not in. Right, in now. I'll just risk pushing the batteries back in again and seeing if just pulling that out and putting it back in again made any difference. I did have that success on one of the other teardowns I did. It was just a matter of oh, I've just had a thought. I wonder if it was as simple as the lens cover wasn't clearing, because that just cleared when I flicked it. I didn't look before. Oh, rude words. I hope that isn't all that was wrong with it. Oh, dear me. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on. Right, you're holding together. Right, we are open. And we're not seeing anything. I just thought I'd better check that because I couldn't remember whether I'd actually looked to see if the lens cover was clearing, but it is clear. I just had a horrible thought then that I'd done all that and that was all that was wrong with it, that the lens cover wasn't clearing. Okay, and also pulling those out and putting them back in again didn't suddenly clear it. Okay, that'll do for now. I'll still make that 2 separate videos as far as we've gone, but we haven't made any progress other than figuring out how to get the case off. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.